Hey guys, Tom with Just Press A. Quick trading recap on the week. We'll be talking about how bad it was or how negative my trading week was. And when you ask how bad, just remember, it can always, always, always be worse. And let me begin by also saying that who needs lights, okay? Light bill, not that important. You got some candles, burn them. Just like the 16th century. They didn't have electricity. They didn't need it. You don't either. So it's not that bad. Completely joking, guys. Rest assured, I didn't lose my light bill. Okay, still have my lights. I'm still being responsible. Okay, but I did have a negative week trading. But again, this is trading in paper stock, so it's not real money. Okay, if I had to compare it to something, it would be like playing online poker for free. Okay, so the game is still very much the same, but obviously you're not losing real money. Okay, the whole purpose of that is during the learning curve, you're not literally losing the shirt on your back. Now, quick kind of background, James and I put rules into place when we're trading paper stocks. So if you have $1,000 loss on the day, no matter where that is, no matter what time that occurs during the trading period, if it happens in the first 10 minutes of your trading day, sorry, it's over. And you'll have to revamp, come back the next day, and try to do better. So I've had a negative week. Every single day has been red for me. I haven't had one win. Zilch, zilch, nada, nothing. James, on the other hand, has had green days except for Friday. He had $1,000 loss along with me. So obviously I'm having to look back at my strategy and try to change it before going into this upcoming trading week. So the key failures that I have identified from my trading strategy, if you will, for this past week, number one would be too impatient. Jumping into way too many trades and not waiting for good positive confirmation. So just way too impatient. Probably number two, again, like I just said, is too many trades. I made 58 trades in a 1 hour trading period Friday. And majority of those were losing trades. So obviously I made too many trades. And probably three, holding stocks for too long, hoping that the stock's gonna reverse and come back up when I should have just cut my losses and been done with it. Again, the whole purpose of this video, besides being motivational towards education, is also emphasizing the importance of trading in a simulator using paper stocks, so you're not losing your light bill and having to burn candles and more grievous things than that. So the purpose of using a simulator is just that, so you limit your losses. So while you're learning the software, you're testing out strategies, or you're learning the stock market, you're not losing your real currency, your portfolio. If you lose too much before you even begin, you've killed your entire career. So taking the advice of the greats, or better men than I, in other words, that are more educated and have been there longer, like a Ross Cameron, who emphasizes and advocates you should not be trading real money until you are consistently profitable in an online simulator. That means green for a period of days, weeks, or months, however long that is. Be consistent in a simulator and then try the real thing out. And I believe that because I'm losing money, so fake money. So going into this upcoming week, I'm going to be revising my strategy. So basically just the three key failures that I identified earlier, I'm going to reverse those. So number one, I'm going to be more patient. I'm going to wait for good, solid confirmation of an upward trend before I buy into the stock. Number two, I'm going to wait for more than one indicator. So I'm not just going to wait for the first green candle and jump in. I'm going to wait for the second green candle to make a new high. So at least I have a decent idea that the stock's going up. And probably third, I'm going to have much tighter stop losses, meaning I'm going to cut my losses as soon as the stock doesn't do what I wanted it to do. I'd rather have a small loss than a huge loss by hoping, praying the stock's going to go up. So that's basically my revision for my plan going into this upcoming Monday. So again, guys, just want to reaffirm: stay positive, keep educating. Don't get down when you have negative days. If you're trading paper stocks, and hopefully that's exactly the point. If you're losing real money, then you might want to revise your strategy or consider jumping into a simulator and testing these strategies out before you jump back into real money. So stay positive, continue learning, Education is the key. That's what James and I believe in. We want to be in the top 1% that actually makes money doing this. And to do that, we have to educate. We have to become more educated than 90% of the people out there that are trying to make it in day trading. So real quick, just a couple of upcoming videos that we're going to be doing. I think James is also doing a recap video on the past trading week, and we're going to be posting a key terminology video. So these are basically key terms that are vital to understanding the stock market and understanding different strategies. If you're just getting, if you're new to day trading or just new to trying to get into the stock market, so to speak. But anyway, a lot of blabbing. I hope this video helped you. Remember, guys, stay positive, continue to learn, and just press A. Catch you later.